Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's learn how to convert your Audacity file into MP3. It's super easy, so let's get right into it. First, open any Audacity project that you'd like to convert. Once your file is open, look up to the top left corner and click on File. Then navigate down to Export and select it. This will bring up a pop-up window with some options. Make sure the file name is something easy to remember and relevant. Next, you'll want to choose where to save the file, so pick your destination folder. Now here's the crucial part. You'll see a drop-down for file type. Make sure to change it to MP3. If you want to tweak the quality, click on Options and select the desired bitrate. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK. Then hit Export and your file is saved as an MP3. Super simple, right? To check, just head to the folder where you saved it. And there you go, your new MP3 is ready. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in with us for more of these related videos.